Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Soundcore Motion Boom Plus. Now you can pick this one up on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $180. I repeat, $180. All right, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now the speaker's IP67, fully water resistant. So that means you can submerge it. You got Bluetooth version 5.3. You got an auxiliary input for non-Bluetooth devices. And check this out. You got USB Type-C charging. So if you got an Android phone, you walk around with one cable, USB Type-C charging. Now you got 80 watts of total power. You got two 30-watt woofers and two 10-watt tweeters. You also got a built-in power bank. The speaker features PartyCast 2.0, so you can connect unlimited PartyCast speakers together. You also got true wireless stereo, so you can pair two of these together wirelessly. Now you got a 13,400 milliamp battery that's going to give you 20 hours worth of playtime. You also got an app that's available for Android and iOS that lets you customize the EQ. All right, so all of that for $180. Let's see what it is. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to answer two questions. Number one, is this speaker worth $180? And number two, how much better is it than the original Motion Boom, which is $110? Is this worth the extra $70? Let's find out. Now here's what you get in the box. You got the speaker, you got your usual books and shit, plug them, file them to the side. You got a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, no plug, just the cable. And you get your shoulder strap. Now it does have a little bit of branding on it. Let's see if I can find that. Okay, Soundcore, nice shoulder strap. Now let's take a closer look at the speaker. On the front, you got a metal speaker grill. You can see your two woofers and your two tweeters. Here's your buttons. So you got your extra bass, your Bluetooth pairing button. You got your play and pause, volume up and down. You got power and your PartyCast. Now you got two little hoops right here for your carrying strap. Nice handle on the top. Speaker's very lightweight. On the back, little Soundcore branding. Now here's your water resistant flap. Underneath that, USB Type-C charging slot. USB-A, this is for your portable battery, and the 3.5 auxiliary input. Now on the side, see your bass, reflex right here. On the bottom, you got two rubber stoppers that's going to keep it in place. Okay? Again, nice and lightweight. All right, so now let's test out the power bank feature. Let's see if we could charge a phone right from the speaker. All right, so I plugged in a USB Type-C cable, grab a phone, plug it right in, and there it is. Power bank built into your speaker. All right, so the next thing we got to do is download the Soundcore app and update the firmware. All right, so now let's take a look at the app. Okay, so we're going to click on Motion Boom Plus. Shows you the name of your speaker and your battery percentage, and you can power it on and off. Let's hit settings. So you got voice prompts. You got auto power off, 5 minutes all the way up to 20 minutes. You can update your firmware, disconnect it, and you got the user's manual. Now you also got play and pause, volume up and down, and here's your different EQ settings. So you got some presets. You got Soundcore signature, voice, treble bass, and balanced, or you can go fully custom. All right, so now let's do a sound test. Now on a side note, make sure you put your headphones on or watch this video using a quality system. If you're using your iPhone or your Galaxy, it's just going to sound like music. All right, so I'm going to start off at 50% volume with my custom EQ settings. Here we go. Okay, now right away I can tell you this speaker has a lot of clarity, but let's increase the max volume. Start it over, here we go. Okay, let's try a different song. Okay, now I gotta keep it real, y'all. Soundcore has done it again. For under $200, this is a win. Okay, fully water resistant. Y'all hear that bass? Nice highs and mids. Now this is my custom EQ settings. If it's too much bass for you, you can turn that down. That's always a good thing. Now I know what you're saying. If this sounds that good, what about if you pair two of them together? Let's find out. All right, so I got two Motion Boom Plus speakers paired together. Now to sync them up using true wireless stereo, real simple. Just hit the button on the first speaker, hit the same button on the second speaker. It takes less than 5 seconds. All right, here we go, max volume.
Yo, I got a question for you. How many times you knew I was checking for you? How many? Put it on the line, grab the weapon for you. For real, I was front line, I was repping for you. Trapping, came by myself, I was stepping for you. Trapping, turned the L to a lesson for you. Cash, turned one night to a blessing for you. You didn't think I'd do something special for you, but I wouldn't do nothing special unless it's for you. Fact, and that's the thing about it. And I can't sleep at night when I think about it. These niggas think they got it, but I really got it. These niggas think they profit, but I really profit. I done left the town, got it really poppin'. These niggas window shop when I'm really copping. I'm from the city where niggas be milli rockin'. I might pull up in 650s with silly options. What's the mathematics? You still stick around if I ain't have cabbage? Would you come to my shows if I rap average? Except on my flaws and my bad habits. Heal all my wounds from the backstabbers. And never be someone who would backstab me. Never. Ready for that ride in the black caddy. My son, one son, tell him ask daddy. He'll be mad happy. But I'm just trying to chill and twist the line. Catch stunts on my 745. Drive me crazy, shorty queens. Just wanna see you and feel real.
Okay, let me give you some advice. If you're gonna buy one of these, buy two of them. Because when you pair them together, they sound incredible. All right, for $180, these are a win. Now there's one more thing we gotta test out. Let's try the original Motion Boom and see how much different it sounds compared to the Motion Boom Plus. All right, so let's start off with the Motion Boom. Now, if you notice, the Motion Boom is a lot smaller than the Motion Boom Plus. So it shouldn't be as loud, but let's put it to the test. Here we go. Okay, so we maxed out at 89. Here's the Motion Boom Plus. Okay, so the Motion Boom Plus is definitely louder. You know the old saying, men lie, women lie, numbers don't. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so now let me answer those two questions. Number one, is this speaker worth $180? And the answer is yes. Soundcore is one of the best companies when it comes to making high quality headphones and speakers at affordable prices, and they did it again. Next question, how much better is this speaker than the original Motion Boom? A lot better, okay? Now this is cool if you're looking for a little bit more smaller and lightweight package, but if it was me and my money, I'd rather spend an extra couple of bucks and go with the Motion Boom Plus. It sounds way better, almost twice as loud. Anyway, overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Motion Boom Plus a major go. Totally worth the price. Anyway, happy Memorial Day. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat was allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.